Good morning, class 6, and today I am going to start new chapter water, chapter 15. Okay, so let us start. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Water is found in puddles, ponds, rivers, lakes, and oceans. It is present under the ground and in the glacier in the form of ice. It is also present in air in the form of water vapor. So basically, the component of water in the earth, you can see one taken as whole, okay, and 3/4 means if you distribute a whole world into 4 parts and all the 3 part is bounded with water bodies and water is present under the ground and in glacier in the form of ice and also in ponds, rivers, lakes and oceans. It is also present in air in the form of water vapor. Okay. However, we still hear of shortage of water because there are so many reasons behind it. Okay, we say save water. Why we say save water? Because we have to discuss some cause behind it. Okay, 97.4%, I repeat, 97.4% of available water is in sea, which is hard water. They consist of dissolved salt. Okay, so hard water is not useful for our domestic work, which cannot be directly used by us because it's high salt content. Okay, what I said, it is present in your book. A lot of fresh water is frozen in glacier and in the polar ice caps. Thus, only 0.01% of the water on the earth is available to us for consumption. I repeat, only 0.01% of the total amount of water, only 0.01% of water is useful for consumption. Now you understand how important, how water play important role for our survival. So we have to save water. Water is not evenly spread on the earth, means the distribution of water is not uniform. It is non-uniform. Somewhere the water is present in a large amount and somewhere water is not present. There may be floods at some place and complete lack of rain for years at other place. So this type of distribution of water makes a main cause behind shortage of water. Groundwater is an important source of fresh water for us. However, humans have interfered with the natural renewal process of underground water. As a result, the water table, the level of groundwater is said to be water table in cities and towns are constantly going down. Higher the consumption, higher the use of groundwater lower the level of groundwater. Okay, so humans are misuse underground water. That's why the level of water table is decreases gradually, and there is a shortage of groundwater. Pollution of sources of water such as rivers, lakes and groundwater has resulted in deterioration of the quality of water available to us. The source of pollution, those all sewage of house, factories that will go in pond, river, they are main cause of water pollution, and their effect also show in underground water. Henceforth, the quality of water is not good for us. Importance of water for sustaining life. Water is essential for life. A person can sustain or survive without food for several weeks, but without water, life cannot last for more than few days. The bodies of our plants and minerals have large amount of water. Several life processes in humans and animals such as digestion of food, absorption of nutrients by the body, distribution of nutrients to various parts of the body, or getting rid of water wastage need the presence of water. Okay, so in next lecture we will discuss more about the importance of water for sustaining life. Okay.